Hello guys, welcome back. I am a faculty Sudarshan for your paper number 3 QA. In this paper number 3 QA, I have covered statistics MTP. That's due to some time constraint. I can only do it for statistics. So MTP series for statistics for September 2025. I have covered 4 MTPs, 40 questions I have covered. So total 160 questions will be there. It is a full coverage. Okay, in that full coverage, maybe you may eliminate 20 questions as a repeated question. 150 to 140 to 150 questions will be there. In that, the calculator tricks has been explained, concepts has been explained. If you are having more time, that is 2.5 hours is this video's length. In this 4 MTPs I have covered. Okay, in this order only I covered September May 25 series 2, May 25 series 1, and September 25 series 1 and September 25 series 2. I hope you will be having this MTP question paper as well. Okay, keep that and always keep the calculator with you and continue with our MTP series video. Okay, you will be enjoying that 2 hours of learning with utmost clarity on the concept and utmost clarity with the calculator tricks. Wherever possible, we have used the calculators. Mostly we have used the calculators for 70% of the part of this video. So go and watch that video, and if you are having any doubts, do comment below. Hello guys, welcome back. I am a faculty Sudarshan for your paper number 3. Now we have taken up MTP series. In that we are first starting with May 2025 series 2. Okay, with respect to statistics, we will see all the statistics we'll see so that it will be thorough for us. When the data are classified into successive 2 time points, if it is based on 2 time points, it is based on chronological data. Chronological data is based on the time-wise order. Then following data related to the income of 86%, what is the percentage of person earning more than 1500? They given some sequence, number of persons is there. We'll try to use maximum use of this calculator and we will get that answer. 86% they given. If they given with 86%, they are asking more than 500. So we will take it calculator. 36 plus 7 divided by 86 percentage. 36 plus 7 divided by 86 percentage. How this 86 are? The total is 36 plus 7 divided by 86 into 100. So we are using this calculator. What is answer you are getting? 36 plus 7 divided by 86 percentage. 50, sir. 50. Then bivariate data or the data collected for two variables at the same point of time. Option C. Dash is the upper part of the table describing both columns and subcolumns. It is caption. Okay. Then if from a population of 25 members, the random sample without replacement, the formula for without replacement is capital N combination of N. So capital N is 25, C2. So it is 25 into 24 divided by 2 into 1. If I cancel, it is 25 into 12. What is 25 into 12? 300. 300. It's 300. My calculator is gone. Standard error can be described as, it is standard error. SC, standard error is nothing but standard deviation of a statistics. Okay, next. Which of the following measures of central tendency is based on only 50%? Only 50% means it is median. What is the median of the following items? 6, 10, 14, 4, 3, 11, 12 and 18 is given. So what you guys need to do, first thing, whenever the median type of question is there, step 1, find it, arrange them in ascending order. So it is 3, 4, 6, 9, 10, 11, 18, 22. Now, what is the formula? N plus 1 divided by 2th observation. So, what is N? N, egg 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 by 2 is 4.5th observation. 4.5th observation is nothing but 4th observation plus 0.5 of 5th observation minus 4th observation. So, 4th observation is 9 plus 0.5 of 5th minus 10. So, 10 minus 9. So, which is basically 9.5. Change answer 9.5. Okay, the answer is wrong. Okay, the given options are wrong. Are you able to understand? Sir. Moderately skewed distribution is also known as which formula? empirical formula. So the empirical formula they are asking is mean minus mode is equal to 3 into mean minus median, option A. Then the mean salary of 40 group female workers is 5,200 per month and the group of 60 male workers is 6,800 per month. What is the combined salary they are asking? Take a calculator, we will do it in a calculator. 40 into 5,200 m plus 60 into 6,800 m plus MRC divided by 100. How this 100? 40 plus 60 is 100. 6,160. Then what is the quartile deviation of normal distribution with a mean? Mean means mu is 10 and the standard deviation is 4. If mu is 10 and standard deviation is 4, I have given one shortcut, right? What shortcut I given? QDMDSD shortcut. What is this QDMDSD shortcut? I given this shortcut na. Listen, this is a shortcut I given. QDMDSD is equal to 10 is to 12 is to 15. Or there is also one more shortcut is there. That is, whenever you are going with QD, whenever they are asking QD, it is 0.675 standard deviation. Or when they are asking mean deviation, it is 0.8 standard deviation. 0.8 is nothing but 4 by 5. 0.675 is nothing but 10 by 15. Okay, that is 0.675. So we will go with this concept of 0.675 into standard deviation 4. So that take a calculator, 0.675 into 4 will be getting 2.7. So the formula is QD is equal to 0.675 if standard deviation is given. If they are asking mean deviation, it is 0.8 into standard deviation. Now what they are asking, coefficient of range. First clarity, for coefficient of range, it should be unit free. Unit should not come. Means rupees should not be my answer. They given wages. Coefficient of range. Take a calculator. What is the highest value? I guess 90. What is the lowest value? I guess 60. So it is nothing but 60 minus 90. No. 90 minus 60 divided by 150 into 100. So 30 by 150 into 100. 20. 30 by 150, that is 20 basically. Next, third decile they are asking. First arrange them in ascending order. So 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. 15, 18, 20, 25. Correct? So D3. Third decile is nothing but 3 into n plus 1 divided by 10th observation. So what is n plus 1? 3, 4, 6, 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 by 10. 3 into 9 by 10. 3 into 9 by 10 is 0.9. 0.9 into 3 is 2.7th observation. If it is 2.7th observation, it is second observation plus 0.7 of third minus second. Take a calculator. Take a calculator. 0.7. Third. We will do it in a reversal work. Third minus 2. Third minus 2 means 11 minus 1 is 1. 0.7 plus 10. It is 10.7. Are you able to getting this answer? 74. The coefficient of mean deviation about mean for first 9 natural number. So what is the formula for mean deviation? Coefficient of mean deviation is equal to mean deviation about mean divided by mean. So mean deviation about mean is equal to summation x minus x bar divided by x bar. So what is the logic of this? Sorry, this is n whole divided by x bar. This is a formula. So we need x bar. We know first 9 natural numbers na. First term plus last term, after it is the equidistant na, 1 to 9. So it is 1 plus 9 divided by 2. 1 plus 9 divided by 2 is what? 5. So x bar is 5. So they are asking first 9 natural numbers pa. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. X minus x bar. X minus 5 is 4. Modulus is there. 4. 2 minus 5 is 3. 2, 1, 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Add all this value. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 into 2. It is 20. 20 or 21? 20. N is 9. So it is 20 by 9 whole divided by x bar. X bar is what? 5. So they are asking coefficient. Coefficient means it should be multiplication of 100. So 20 by 9 into 1 by 5 into 100. So if we cancel, it will become 20. It is 400 by 9. So it is a book back question, I guess. Change this answer 400 by 9. It is not 4 by 9, it is 400 by 9. Okay. Next, The median they are asking na. First arrange in ascending order. What is ascending order? 26, 27, 30, 37, 37, and then what is given? 42, 44, 51. Is it correct? Yes. So 3, 6, 7 odd numbers are there. So take two odd numbers are there. So my center number is 37. That is my median. Able to understood. Then the mean weight of group of 40 female workers is 42 kg and the group of 60 male workers is 52 kg. What is the combined mean? Take a calculator. 40 into 42 equal to 60 into 52 equal to GT divided by 100. This is another option I'm doing. Instead of M plus, I'm doing with GT. Or if you want to still go with GT, it is 40 into 42 M plus 60 into 52 M plus MRC divided by 100. What is answer you're getting? What is it? 40, 48, correct? Yes. Now come to 77. What is 77 is given if the relationship between x and y is given by 4x minus 6y is equal to 13. If the median of x is 16, we'll find the median of y. Very simple. Median is given na. It is median is affected by shift of origin and median is also affected by change of scale. So what you need to do, you take a calculator, just simply multiply. So you will be getting 4 into 16 m plus 13 m minus MRC divided by 6. Are you getting this answer? 4 into 16 m plus 13 m minus MRC divided by 6. Are you getting 8.5? Is it correct? Yes, sir. Yes, direct thing. If a quartile deviation is given, under quartile deviation, we know it is not affected by shift of origin. It is affected by change of scale. So it is 3 into QD of X is equal to 6 into QD of Y. So QD of Y they are asking. So it is 3 by 6 of QD of X. So 3 by 6 into 8. 3 by 6 into 8. You will be getting 4. Find D6 they are asking da. D n plus 1 divided by 10th observation. So first arrange them in ascending order. That is 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Then 10, 14, 15, 18, 20. Correct? Yes. Once if we got this, then what we need to do? Find n. How many n's are there? I guess 3, 9, 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 by 10. What is 11 by 10? 1.1 6 into 1.1. 6 into 1.1. 6.6th observation. 6.6th observation 6th observation plus zero point 0.6 of 7th minus 6th. What is 7 minus 6? 3, 6 is 7. 14 minus 10. Take a calculator. 14 minus 10 into 0 0.6 plus 10. 4 into 0 0.6 plus 10. 12.4. Come to question number 80. The theory of compound probability is given. This is not compound probability. Yes. This is also not compounded probability. This is also not compounded probability. The compounded probability is P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B, A given B. Oh, this is nothing but P of A given B. A is given, you need to find B. That is an understanding of it. This is an interesting question. I may expect this question in your examinations as well. Okay, so this is a question. The odds are against is given. There is two things, odds in favor and odds against. If odds against is there, this is your unfavorable, this is your favorable. So then the odds against of P of A is given. What is P of A? It is 5 by 14. What is P of B? P of B living here 8 is to 6. That is your unfavorable with the favorable. So it is nothing but 6 by 14 against on odds of living till he is 80. Find the probability that at least one. We know very well. P of at least 1 is equal to P of at least 1 is equal to what is an understanding? We revise the formula now. P of at least 1 is equal to 1 minus P of none. 1 minus P of none. 1 minus P of A dash. P of A dash. Next, what is the next thing? Into P of B dash. So we found the value, for P of A, but we need P of A dash. What is the answer for P of A dash? It is 9 by 14. What is P of B dash? P dash is 8 by 14. So take a calculator. Take a calculator. 9 by 14. Take a calculator. 9 by 14 into 8 by 14 minus 1. What is answer? 9 by 14 into 8 by 14 minus 1. What is answer you're getting? 0.6326. Positive value. Any of minus is not going to affect my answer, right? Yes. So which answer gives me that option? 31 by 49? Yes, sir. 31 by 49. Then super duper question. 82. The probability that trainee will remain in the company. So the probability of a trainee will remain in the company is 0.8. The probability that an employee earns more than 20,000 per month is, so probability earns more than 20,000 a month is 0.4. The probability that an employee who was a trainee and remained in the company or who earns more than 20,000 per month is 0.9. So it is P of A union B, A intersection B. Or is given. Union B, intersection B. Intersection union. Or na plus means A union B. A union B is what? 0.9. What is the requirement of the question? What is the probability that an employee earns more than 20,000 per month? That he is a trainee who stayed in the company. That he is a trainee means what is an understanding of it? That given, who is given he is a trainee means it's A, so they are asking B by A. What is B by A formula? Probability of A intersection B divided by P of A is an independent variable. We know P of A is 0.8. We only need P of A intersection B. Take a calculator. 0.8 plus 0.4 minus 0.9. 0.8 plus 0.4 minus 0.9. What you are getting? 0.3, sir. 0.3 divided by 0.8. If I multiply by 10, it is 3 by 8. Correct? Yes, sir. 0.3 by 0.8 gives you 0.375. Correct? 0.375. Next, find the two numbers obtained when two dice are thrown simultaneously. Sum two die. I given you one trick na. Greater than 7 is there. If greater than 7 is there, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Probability of getting 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I add all this, what is my total? 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 10, 15, 18, 20, 21. 21 divided by 36. 36. 21 divided by 36 is nothing but 0.5833. Which answer gives me that? I guess it should be 7 by 12. It should be 7 by 12 na? Yes, sir. Very simple pa. 7 table na, 3 table you will be getting cancel na, 3 by 12. Sorry, if you get in 7 3 table cancellation, you will be getting 7 by 12. Next, the AM between two numbers is 34 and the GM is 16. Find the numbers. We'll go with an option checking method. What is an option checking method? We'll go. If I add two numbers, I should get 34. I'll just check with this. 4 plus 64 divided by 2. 4 plus 64 divided by 2. 4 plus 64 divided by 2. I'm getting 34. So 4 into 64 root button. 16. I'm getting 16. So my answer is option A. Okay. The probability that the card drawn at random from a pack playing a cards may be either a queen or an ace. Either a queen or an ace means what? How many ace queen cards will be there? How many queen cards will be there? 4, sir. 4 plus or an ace card. How many or condition is there? Or condition means 4 divided by 52. So it is 8 by 52. If 8 by 52 means it is, what is my answer? 0.1538. 0.1538. Which answer gives me that? Option A. Next, if the probability of an horse A winning a race, of horse A winning a race and probability of B winning a race, what is the one of the horses will win? One of the horses will wins what? If A wins, B should not win. Or If B wins, A not wins, B should win. Correct?
Yes.
This kind of problem we done it in our basic workout batch also. So it can be written as P of A into P of B dash plus P of A dash into P of B. In exams, don't write all this stuff and all. Just take a calculator. What is this 1 by 6 answer? 0.6 P of A dash you know very well it is 5 by 6. P of B dash you know very well it is 3 by 4. Correct? Take a calculator. Take a calculator. 1 by 6 into 3 by 4 m plus 5 by 6 into 1 by 4 m plus mrc. What is answer you are getting? Huh?
0.3333.
0.33333. Basically 1 by 3. Correct?
Yes.
What is the chance of picking a heart or a queen? Not of a heart from a pack. A heart 13. Or a queen not of heart. Or a queen not of heart means it's 3. So it should be 52. So it is 16 by 52. Why here we are considering 3? Except Q hot card. Because Q hot card is already added.
Yes.
What is the answer? 16 by 32. It is basically 4 divided by 13. 4 divided by 13. Correct?
Yes, sir.
A class consists of 10 boys, 20 girls. So what is the total sample space? N of S is equal to 30. Okay, the denominator should be 30. What they are saying, of which half of the boys and half of the girls have blue eyes. Half of the boys means 5 boys will have blue eyes and 10 girls will have a blue eyes. What they are saying, find the probability that a student chosen as a random is a boy and has a blue eyes. How many boys will have a blue eyes? Yeah, boy. So 5C1, which is basically 5 by 30. What is 5 by 30? 1 by
1/6.
1 by 6. Variance of a binomial distribution. Always in mean should be greater than variance. So variance in a binomial distribution is less than mean. Variance in a binomial distribution is always less. Variance means variance of a binomial distribution is always less than its mean. Okay, the interval. This is an interesting question which has been tested almost 4 times in the main examination. That is mu minus 3 sigma, comma mu plus 3 sigma covers all but not 0.27 area of the normal distribution. Basically, it will cover 99.63 percentage, but it will not cover 0.27 percentage of the area. Okay, next one, 91 interesting question from a topic of Poisson distribution. Okay, easy, but listen. What is the requirement of the question? A manufacturer, it's a book back question as well. It's an interesting question. A manufacturer who produces a medicine bottles finds that 0.1 percentage of that bottles are defective. Okay, 0.1 percentage is defective. So your defective becomes what? P is equal to 0.1%. 0.1 divided by 100. Okay, that is, then the bottles packed in a containers is 500 bottles. So we know is P is small and N is large. So we find M is equal to NP. That is the formula. So 500 into 0.1%. 500 into 0.1% is what? 500 into 0.1 percentage. 0.5. So M is what? 0.5. A drug manufacturer buys. How many boxes are there? 1000 boxes. That from the producer of bottles using Poisson distribution. Find how many bottles will contain at least 2. At least 2 means what? X greater than or equal to 2. I cannot go with 100 boxes now. So what I will do? 1 minus P of X less than 2 means P of less than 2 means what? P of X is equal to 0 plus P of X is equal to 1. What is the Poisson distribution formula? E power minus M into M power X divided by X factorial. This is a formula. Okay. I know 1 minus P of X e power minus M minus 0.5 into M power X. What is 0.5 power 0 divided by X factorial 0 factorial plus e power minus 0.5 into 0 power 51 divided by 1 factorial. I will take e power minus 0.5 as a common value. then it is 0.5, anything power 0 is 1 plus 0.5, okay, plus 0.5, which eventually gives me 1 minus e power minus 0.5 divided by into 1.5. Correct. Now I will give you one shortcut value for e. What is e value? 2.71828. This is the value you need to remember. What is the e exponential value? 2.71828 is the value. So what you need to do, e point 2.71828, can I write this as 1 minus 1 divided by 2.71828? Instead of e, I will write this. I will write power as 0.5. Can I write 0.5 as 1 by 2?
Yes, sir.
If 0.5 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is nothing but square root.
Yes, sir.
So basically what I need to do is I need to find the square root of that value into 1.5. So take a calculator. 2.71828 divided by equal to, I will be getting a denominator value. Then I will find a root which is going to give me 0.6065. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Into 1.5, which is basically, what is the answer I'm getting?
0.9097.
0.9097 minus 1.
90902.
0.0902 is my decimal value, but they given 100 boxes na, multiplied by 100. I'm getting 9.02, so it is approximately 9. Are you able to getting this? What is a binomial distribution E of x? E of x is nothing but, E of x mean is nothing but NP is equal to 2 pa. Variance under binomial distribution is NPQ is equal to 4 by 3. NPQ is equal to 4 by 3. Yeah. Okay. 4 by 3. Now, I know 4 by 3. This value is there. So, what I will do, I can equate this. Or if I want to cancel, NP is equal to 2. NP is equal to 2, right? So, what I will do, I will take this NP and I will substitute 2Q is equal to 4 by 3. Q is equal to 4 by 3 into 2. So it will get cancelled. So Q is equal to 2 by 3. Then we know very well under binomial distribution, P plus Q is equal to 1. So if Q is 2 by 3, then what is P? 1 by 3. Yeah. I will substitute is 1 into 1 by 3 into 2. So N will become 6. So my answer is option C. D. Okay. In exams also, what you guys do, that just do beside the question itself. Are you able to understood? Using your, any of you are going to use the pencil na, use the same thing. Next question is also interesting question. I am expecting this two question. Okay. Whatever I mark in star, it's most important. Listen. If the standard deviation of a Poisson distribution is 2, what is the standard deviation of a Poisson distribution is 2, then variance formula is standard deviation square. So it is basically m square, which is basically 2 square, variance is equal to 4. If variance is 4, if variance is an integer, then my mode can be variance and variance minus 1. So 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 comma 3. So the modes are 3 and 4. Okay. If the normal distribution of a quartile deviation is 6, QD is equal to 6. What is the standard deviation they are asking? What is the standard deviation they are asking? We know the logic na. They are asking standard deviation. They are given with QD. So I know very well. QD MD SD is equal to, QD MD SD is equal to 10 is to 12 is to 15. So they are asking SD. They want SD as compared to QD. So what I will do? QD SD is equal to, QD is 10, SD is 15. They want SD. SD is equal to 15 by 10 of QD. Correct? SD is equal to 15 by 10 is nothing but 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 6. What is 3 by 2 into 6? Answer is 9. Is it 9?
Yes, sir.
Yes, 9. Okay, remember this. Don't forget this. Remember this. And what is MD formula? 0.8 into standard deviation. What is QD formula? 0.675 into standard deviation. So basically QD by standard deviation is equal to 0.5. Correct? So what you guys still can do is 6 divided by 0.675. Can you try this? Whether you are getting this answer or not?
8.888.
8.888, which is approximately 9. Okay. Next. Suppose a business executive was earning 2050 in the base period. Interesting question. What should be his salary in the current period in the standard of living to remains to same? So first basically we'll try to find this. Cost of living index is given, summation IW, summation W. Take a calculator, 3544. Take a calculator, 3544 divided by 25. What is the answer you are getting?
For 1.76.
Multiplied by 2050 divided by 100. Because cost of living 100 is 2050. What is 141 point something? Is what? What is the answer you are getting?
2,900.
2906.
6.08.
So this is a calculated thing you need to remember. Are you able to understood?
Yes, sir.
What is Bowley's index number? Bowley's is nothing but last pair plus passage divided by 2. In the group of Bowley's and last pair index number, Bowley's index number is 150, last pair is 180. What is passage? We know very well. 150 into 2 minus 180. Basically, L plus P divided by 2 is equal to 180. L plus P divided by is 180. 150 they given. So what we'll do, 180 plus P divided by 2 is equal to 150. So it is 150 into 2 minus 180 gives me passage. So that's why I directly said 150 into 2 minus 180. 300 minus 180 is gives me 120. What is consumer price index is commonly known as cost of living index. Then what is the formula for detailed? No, it is not detailed value. It is deflated value. Okay, what is a deflated value? It is current value divided by price index of the current year. If you ask me which is excellent, accurately correct, it is option B. Okay, current value divided by price index of the current year into 100. But as per the ICA module, they given option A. So we will also go with option A. Okay, then question number 100, the simple index current value of simple aggregative method. The simple aggregative method is nothing but summation P1 divided by summation P0 into 100. So what is summation P1? Add all this value 100, 150, 450, 550, 550, 650, 750, 802. Correct? 200, 300, 400, 450, 500. So 802 divided by 500 into 100. So 100 gets cancelled, 802 by 5.
60.
160.4, which is approximately 160. So with this, we have completed our May 2025 stats series 2. Only stats 40 questions we have completed. Hello guys, welcome. Now we will be solving May 2025 series 1 MTP with respect to statistics portion. Standard error and the square root of a sample size are basically it is inversely proportional. How sir? Standard error means standard deviation divided by root 10. So this can be written as standard error is inversely proportional to 1 divided by root 10. That's a better understanding of it. Next, question number 62. What is question number 62 is about? The mean of three numbers is there. That's an interesting question which can be expected in examination as well. Okay. The mean of three numbers is 135. Among the three numbers, the biggest number is 180. Perfect. The larger number is 180. The differences between the remaining two is 25. What is the smallest number they are asking? Here, we can go with an option checking method as well. Okay, or else we want to go with an actual method also, we can go with an actual method. I will tell you the actual method. They said the average is 135. Yeah, so it is x plus y plus z is equal to 135 divided by 3 is equal to 135. Yeah, X larger number I know. Assume larger number is 180. Or if I want to go with larger plus medium plus small, larger I know, medium I don't know, smaller also I don't know. 135. Take a calculator. 135 into 3 minus 180. You got m plus s, which will give you 225. Yeah, which will give you 225. Yeah, they said the differences between them is 25. Yeah, so m minus s is equal to 25. If I cancel this, 2m is equal to 250, m is equal to 125. If m is equal to medium number is 125, I can either substitute in this equation. Okay, m is equal to 125, then s will becomes 100. Correct? So the smaller number is 100, the medium number is 125, a larger number is 180. Even if they simply change what is the mid number, then my answer becomes 125. Are you able to understand? Right now my answer is option D. Are you able to understand this? Or alternatively, what you can go? You can go with an option checking method as well. Now come to question number 63. What is question number 63 is about? Out of 1,000 persons, this is an interesting question which is covered from set C question of, and is also a PYQ question as well. Listen, out of 1,000 persons, 40% are females and others are male. So total there are male, female. So they are telling male is 600 and female is 1,000, so that you will be getting 1,000. Correct? In a marriage function, 300% enjoyed a song. So enjoying a song, not enjoying a song. Okay. In a marriage function, 300% enjoy a song. So 300% enjoy a song means the person not enjoying a song will become 700. Okay. Then 30 percentage of the people who had not enjoyed the song were female. On 700, compute 30%. 700 into 30% gives you 210. So the remaining, it's like playing like a game. You will be getting 590. You will be getting 10. Correct. No, you will be getting 490. 490, 500, 700. Then it is 110. Then it is like 190. Now, what is the requirement of the question? What is the number of male who did not enjoy the song in the function? Song male not enjoyed is 490. Are you able to understood? In a tabular presentation, the stub is the left part of the table describing the rows. For open-end classification, which of the following is the best measures of central tendency? Open-end means it is always what? Median. In case of even number of observation, which of the following is the median? It is not any of the two middle number. It is basically a simple average between these two middle values. Next, non-probability sampling is also known as purposive or judgmental sampling. It's direct theory question. The two variables x and y are given. Y is equal to 2x minus 3. What is the median? We know median is affected by both change of origin and change of scale. We simply take a calculator and do 2 into 20 minus 3. Orally also we can do. 37 is my answer. Now come to question number 69. What is question number 69 is about? If a relationship between two variables u and v are given, 2u plus v plus 7 is equal to 0, and arithmetic mean of u is equal to 10. What is arithmetic mean of v? We know very well arithmetic mean is affected by shift of origin and arithmetic mean is affected by change of scale. So what we need to do? We need to just simply substitute the values. So 2 into 10 will give you 20. 20 plus 7, v is equal to minus 27. My answer is option C. Are you able to understand this? Are you able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next. Next question number 70. An appropriate measures of dispersion for open-end classification. For open-end classification, the appropriate measures is quartile deviation. Next, Rx into Ry denotes the range of related by. What is the relationship between X and Y? It is a book back question. So range we know it is not affected by shift of origin. Plus or minus will not going to affect my answer. So only change of scale, that too positive magnitude of change of scale. Okay. So what we need to do? 3rx is equal to 2ry. That's our answer. So 3rx is equal to 2ry. If x and y and are related of standard deviation of 9, what is standard deviation of x? We know very well it is not going to affect my answer. So 2 standard deviation of x is equal to 3 standard deviation of y. I given with the x variable 2 divided by 9. 2 into 9 divided by 3 is equal to standard deviation. So if you just cancel it, you will be getting 6. Answer 6. Are you able to understood this? Everybody? Yes. Now, what we'll do, question number 73. The quartiles of the variable means this is q1, this is q2, this is q3. They are asking qd. What is qd formula? q3 minus q1 divided by 2. In exam, don't write formula and all. They are never going to value it. So just write, remember the formula, directly write an answer. Take a calculator. 75 minus 45 divided by 2. What is answer you're getting? 15 is my answer. Okay. If x and y are related, 3x plus 4y is equal to 20 and quartile deviation of x is 16. What is quartile deviation of y? We know very well quartile deviation, range is standard deviation, mean deviation, which is even never be affected by shift of origin. It is only affected by change of scale, that is to positive magnitude of change of scale. So it is 3 into qd of x. This is also not required. Directly substitute. 3 into 16 divided by 4 is equal to ye. So what is answer? If I cancel, I will be getting 12. Are you able to understood this? Yes. Next question number 75. Interesting question, exam oriented question. Remember this question. Okay. So remember this question. If I say remember, remember that logic. Okay, if x and y are related, so they given y is equal to 2x plus 5. They given standard deviation and arithmetic mean of x. So we will be substituting standard deviation of x is equal to 5 and x bar is equal to 10. So what we need to do, they are asking coefficient of y. Surely they will be testing like this question. So we know very well it is not affected by this for this standard deviation part. So what we will do, y is equal to 10, mean standard deviation of y is equal to 10, because 5 is not going to affect my answer. So it is 2 into 5, it is going to be 10. Then it is going to affect. So my y bar will becomes 25. Why it is 25? 2 into 10, 20 plus 5 is 25. Now they are asking coefficient variation of y. So it is basically, what is the formula? Standard deviation of y divided by y bar into 100. Correct? So it is 25. 10 divided by 25 into 100. So it is, if you cancel, you will be getting 40 as our answer. What is spurious correlation or no relation or no relation or nonsense relation? That is having no relationship between the variables. When r is equal to 1, r is 1 is equal to perfect positive. It is not only positive, it is perfect positive. Then the scatter diagrams would lie from lower left to upper right. Sorry, lower left to upper right. Next, question number 78. If coefficient of correlation between two variables is r is equal to 0.8, what is the percentage of unaccounted they are asking? That is non-determination. 1 minus r square. 1 minus r square means 1 minus 0.8 whole square. That is 1 minus 0.64. 1 minus 0.64 means 1 minus 0.64, which will give me 0.36 percentage. So it is into 100. So I will be getting 36 percentage. Are you able to understand this? Next, question number 79. Interesting question for the examiner to test. Two variables x and y is given, covariance is given, x is given, that every variables are given. So we know very well covariance of x is equal to covariance of x comma y divided by under root of variance of x into variance of y. We studied this formula. So it is nothing but 40 divided by 216 into 256. Take a calculator. 16 into 256 equal to root button. 16 into 256 equal to root button divided by equal to into 40. 16 into 256 equal to button under root divided by equal to into 40. What is answer you're getting? Option B. 0.625. Now come to question number 10. 80. Sorry, not 10. Question number 80. If the relationship between x and u is 3x plus 4u is equal to 7, the coefficient of correlation between x and y or xy is given as 0.06. They are asking or u, why they are asking. We know very well it is only going to given the values of 0.06, only it will going to affect the sign of sign. So it is zero point 0.6 is going to be my answer. But the thing is, we need to check with correlation of RUY. So it is nothing but what? Y is an independent variable, U is a dependent variable. So what we need to do is already is having a minus sign. Okay. And with respect to U, if you see, you will be getting 4u is equal to minus 3x minus 7. So minus is not going to affect my answer. U is equal to minus 3 by 4x. So it is minus sign. So minus is into minus. You will be getting plus. My answer is 0.6. Next, what is the probability of occurrence? It's an interesting question. Every attempt they are asking similar kind of question. What is the probability of occurrence of a leap year is having a Sunday? Leap year we know very well. 366 days are there. But in a week, if you take 52 weeks are there. 52 weeks into 7 days. 52 weeks into 7 days is what? 52 into 7. You will be getting 364 days. 364 days. The extra 2 days can be Sunday, Monday, or Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday. So in this 53 Sundays occurring Sunday, Monday and Saturday, Sunday. So always, even if they are asking 53 Sunday, 53 Monday, 53 Tuesday, 53 Wednesday, always the answer is going to be 2 by 7. If they are asking 53 Sunday or 53 Monday, then the answer will be 53 Sunday or 53 Tuesday. The answer will be like you need to add that 2 by 7, 2 by 7, you will be getting that answer. Right now, the answer is 2 by 7. Now, what is the chance of picking a spade or an ace not of a spade? Spade is 13. Ace not of a spade is only 3. We need to only select heart, diamond, then club. So it is 52. It is 16 by 52. What is 16 by 52 is? If we cancel, it is 4 divided by 13. So my answer is option A. Now come to 83. What is question number 83? Just a minute. Listen, we'll do this question. Find the probability that 4-digit number comprising the digits 2567 could be divisible by 4. Can you guys tell me the last number is 4 means divisible by 4 means that divisible number should be an even number. Correct? They are asking 4-digit number comprising of that probability. So my total sample space n of s is going to be 4 factorial. If n of s is going to be 4 factorial, then it is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is very well 4 factorial is going to give me 24. I found my denominator is going to be 24. Then logically you should think 2, 5, 6, 7. The last two numbers should be an even number. For example, what are the possibilities for last two even numbers? 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7. Then 5, 6, we are taking as the repetitions is not allowed. 5, 7 and 5, 2. Then 6, 7, 6, 5 and 6, 2. Then 7, 5, 7, 2, 7, 6. Can you guys tell me whether 67 is divisible by 4? No. 26 is divisible by 4? Is it? Yes. Is it? 26 is divisible by 4? No. 27? No. 56? Yes. 57?
No, sir.
52?
Yes, sir.
Is it? Yes. 65? No. 62? Yes. Right? 62, yes.
No, sir.
No. 62 will not be divisible by 75? No. 72?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 76? Definitely yes. So, these are the only four numbers are there. Okay, only four numbers which will be four two-digit number which can be divisible by 2. Okay, I need to place this in the last. So, I can place, if I take 56, what I can do? 56 can be done. It can be of 2, 7 and 7, 2. Correct? This is one possibility. With respect to 72, 72, it can be 5, 6, 6, 5. Correct? Then 52, it can be 6, 7, 7, 6. Then 76 should be my last number. Then it will be 5, 2, 2, 5. Correct?
Yes.
So how many numbers are there? 8. 8 by 24 is 1 by 3. So my answer is option B. You need to go with an actual method with logics only. Okay. Now come to question number 84. 84 is an interesting question which is also a book back question which is many times PYQ questions as well. Okay. The probability of an accountant job, the probability that an accountant job applicant has a BCom degree, that is P of A, is 0.85. Okay. P of A is 0.85. That he is a CA, probability of B is 0.30. Both means intersection, union. Both means intersection, union. Is it intersection or it is union?
Union, sir.
Union. Okay. A union B, is it union or intersection? Think and answer. Think and answer, yaar. Both means they are in the both the way. Right? Both refers to intersection. That is your 0.25. Now, out of 500 applicants, how many would become BCom or CA? They are asking. So, what you need to do? First thing, find A union B. Or condition. Or means plus. Okay, A union B. So, it is take a calculator. Whenever you see the question, don't write all this stuff and all. Directly take a calculator. 0.85 plus 0.30 minus 0.25, you will be getting 0.9 as an answer. Okay, 0.9. So they are asking 500 application. If they are asking how many application, then 0.9 into 500. If they are just asking that value, you can directly go with option D. Next, 85. Interesting question, PYQ as well. Rupesh known to hit a target 5 out of 9 shots. So probability of A hitting a target is 5 by 9. Then probability of not hitting a target is 4 by 9. Where David hit a target, same target by P of B is equal to 6 by 11. Probability of not hitting a target may be 5 by 11. What is the probability that the target would be hit once they both try? Means they need to try on a simultaneously, on that they need to get it. Okay, for example, would be hit both the try means it is equivalent to P of at least once. Minimum one such they need to touch. So probability of at least one is equal to 1 minus probability of none. 1 minus probability of none means 1 minus P of A intersection into P of B intersection. So it is 1 minus, take a calculator, 4 by 9 into 5 by 11 minus 4 by 9 into 5 by 11 equal to minus 1. What is the answer I am getting? 0. 7979. Which answer give me 0.7979?
Option is
Option A ba? Perfect. Option A. Now come to question number 86. In a connection with a random experiment, probability of A is 2 by 3, probability of B is 3 by 5, and the probability of A union B is 5 by 6. And what is the probability of A dash by B? What is probability of A dash by B? They are asking na. Probability of A dash by B. We know the denominator is going to be probability of B. How I can write A dash? Probability of B given, that is probability of A intersection B. This is what I need to write. Basically, if I want to tell you, this can be written as probability of A intersection B, A intersection B, A dash intersection B divided by P of B. Then I can write like this. I know P of B. I know P of A intersection B. I need to find. Just take a calculator. 2 by 3 m plus 3 by 5 m minus 5 by 6 m minus. Sorry. Wait. 2 by 3 m plus 3 by 5 m plus 5 by 6 m minus MRC. What is answer you are getting? 2 by 3 m plus 3 by 5 m plus 5 by 6 m minus MRC. What is answer you are getting? 0.433. 0.433 is nothing but P of A intersection B. Okay. Now we know. P of B we know. What is 3 by 5 answer? 3 by 5 is nothing but 0.6. A intersection B is 0.4333. Divided by 0.6. Can you get me the answer? 0.6 minus 0.4333 divided by 0.6. I am getting 0.2778. By just looking into I may get it at 5 by 18. Maybe. Yeah, 5 by 18. Is it right? 5 by 18 or 7 by 18? 5 by 18. Then, next question number 87. Now, question number 87. In a business venture, a man can make a profit of 50,000 or can incur a loss of 20,000. What are the probabilities of making a profit or incurring a loss from a past experience are known? That is 0.75 and 0.25. It's very simple. Take a calculator. 50,000 into 0.75 m plus 20,000 into 0.25 m minus. Why it is m minus? Because 20,000 is a loss, then MRC. What is the answer? 50,000 into 0.75 m plus 20,000 into 0.25 m minus MRC. 32,500. 32,500 is our answer, right?
yes, sir.
Option D. Now come to question number 88. Interesting question for me to teach, and it is also a PYQ question. Find the probability of success that binomial distribution satisfying the following relation they are asking. So 4px, that is the question they are giving. So what I can do, probability I know, binomial distribution ncx into p power x into q power n minus x. This is a probability distribution function. When the probability distribution function is given, I know 4 is given, so I keep the 4 remain same. P of x is equals to the parameter of n is 6, they given. So it is 6c4 into probability of, we know the probability of p and p plus q is equal to 1. So probability of p is 1 by 2 and probability of q is 1 by 2, but we don't know that, so we will be taking p into x, x is nothing but 4, q into n power x, it is nothing but 2, which is equivalent to 6c2 into p power x is 2 and q power 4. What I can do, 6c4 and 6c2 will automatically cancel, correct? Because 6c4 answer is also 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 3 gets cancelled. I will be getting 15. Even if you get 6c2, it is 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 1. Even at that time also I am getting 15. 15 gets cancelled. So for p power 4, I am getting p square. So p square stays. For q square is cancelled. Q square stays. So it will become 4p square is equal to q square. Okay. So squaring on both sides, I will be getting 2p is equal to q. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Next, I know very well p plus q is equal to 1. Already I told you. In that situation, I can substitute this. So p plus p, 3p equal to 1. P is equal to 1 by 3. So my answer of probability of success also they are asking. They are also only asking a success. My success is 1 by 3. Are able to getting the answer? Okay, in exam, what you can do? You can directly go with this approach. Don't write any formula. Okay. Next question number 89. An experiment succeeds thrice as after it fails. If the experiment is repeated 5 times, what is the probability of having no success at all? What is an understanding of it? No success at all. A experiment succeeds thrice as after it fails. If the same experiment is repeated 5 times, what is the probability of success? Of having no success at all. What is an understanding? What is an understanding? Okay. We'll be doing question number 89. We are doing. In that they said an experiment succeeds. What is an experiment succeeds? Thrice after its fail. It is basically on the process of binomial distribution. Okay. An experiment succeeds means success is nothing but P. Thrice after its fail means they are saying we know very well P plus Q is equal to 1. They're saying success thrice after it fails means what? Succeeds thrice as after it fails means they are saying instead of success you need to consider 3Q, that Q is equal to 1 because it is failed. Okay, so if I solve this, it is 4Q is equal to 1, Q is equal to 1 by 4, P will becomes 3 by 4. So P I got, Q I got. Now they are asking no success at all. No success at all means probability of 0. No success is nothing but NCX into P power X into Q power N minus X. They say the probability of repeated is 5 times. So N becomes 5. So 5CX. X is no success. 5C0 into P. 3 by 4 power X. X is nothing but what? 0. And Q 1 by 4. 5 minus X. 5 minus X becomes 5. So 5C0. What is 5C0? 5C0 is what? 1. Into 1 into 1 divided by 4 power 5. 4 power 5 is 1024. My answer is option B. Able to understood. Next, what they said. If the two quartiles of a normal distribution are 47 and 47.3 and 52.7, what is the mode of the distribution? And also find a mean deviation about the median. What is an understanding of it? The question itself will have a error. What is an error? If two quartiles of a normal distribution 47.3 and 52.7 respectively, you should not add this point. What is the mode of the distribution is not the question. Find the mean deviation about the median is the requirement of the question. So what I know, they given two quartiles are. So I assume the given quartiles are Q3 and Q1. So what I need to do, find QD first because I need to find that part. So what is the QD answer? 47 point, that is Q3, Q1, sorry. This is Q1, this is Q3. 52.7 minus 4. Take a calculator. Take a calculator. 52.7 minus 47.3, which will give me 5.4. 5.4 divided by 2. What is my QD answer? 2.7. What they are asking? Mean deviation about median distribution. I know very well. They are asking mean deviation. QD, MD, SD. They are asking MD. MD is equal to what? I know 0.8 of standard deviation, but it is not going to be my answer because it is nothing but 10 is to 12 is to 15. Yesterday, yesterday we know 10 is to 12 is to 15. 10 is to 12 is to 15. I know I want only QD by SD. Oh, sorry, QD by MD. So it is basically 10 by 12. So I want QD. QD value I know. So QD value I know means, so I will take MD. MD is equal to 12 by 10 of QD. Correct? So 12 by 10 into 2.7 is my answer. 12 by 10 into 2.7. What is the answer? 3.24, which is equivalent to 3.20. Are able to understood this? Next,
Yes, sir.
question number 91. X follows normal distribution with the mean as 50. So they given mu is equal to 50. Variance they given. Variance is standard deviation square is 100. Then standard deviation is equal to 10. What is a probability of x greater than or equal to 60? So what is probability of x greater than or equal to 60? So I know the formula for normal distribution is x minus mu divided by standard deviation. So z is equal to x minus mu is 50 divided by 10. So I know, well, probability of x greater than or equal to 60 is equal to probability of z greater than or equal to, that I can substitute 60 in the x position. 60 minus 50 divided by 10. 60 minus 50 divided by 10. If I substitute 60 minus 50 divided by 10, I will be getting 1. They given one value is nothing but 0.8413 they given. So what is an understanding of it? This is how a normal distribution curve will look like, correct? In that point, they given greater than 60. They given answer is 1. So this is a point. This entire region of the value is given, and they are asking greater than or equal to that 0.84. This minimal area they are asking. This is the requirement part. So what I need to do, take a calculator, very simple. 1 minus 0.8413. So what is my answer? 0.16. I will tell you one thing. Whenever this kind of question is there, they given with 0.8413, na, what logic we can do instead of doing with this actual method. We know the actual method, but we want to save some time. Okay, if the same question repeats or they given mean is 5 and variance is 10, similarly they given, what you guys can do, you can take a calculator. Risk is that 0.8413 is given, simply subtract -1 from it, because in a probability or theoretical distribution you will never going to get an answer in negative, correct? So in that particular point of time, what we can do is directly we'll go with an answer. Next, this is a regular question they will be testing in exam, theory based one. A number of misprints per page of a thick book, sample space is m is more and the failure is small. So in that particular point of time, what is my answer? Poisson distribution is my answer. Then if a Poisson variable f of 2 is equal to 3 into f of 4, what is the variance of x they are asking? We know very well, e power minus m into m square divided by 2 factorial is equal to 3 into e power minus m into m power 4 divided by 4 factorial. This is a formula. So e power minus m gets cancelled. For m square, m power 4 gets cancelled. 2 factorial, I can cancel it and I can still write down as, or if you want, I can, this is 2. Okay, this is basically 2. This is basically 4 into 3 into 2. So 2 2 gets cancelled, 3 3 gets cancelled. So I will be getting only, I will be getting only 1 is equal to m square by 4. So 4 is equal to m square. So m is equal to 2. M is equal to 2 means they are asking variance under Poisson distribution. Both mean and variance remains the same. So my answer is 2, not 4. Are you able to getting this? Are you able to understood this? Yes. Now come to question number 94. If the points of inflation, this is most important point which you need to remember, which is points of inflation is there. Points of inflation is given. Points of inflation is 40 and 60 is given. So what you need to do, the formula is mu minus sigma into mu plus sigma. Mu plus sigma is equal to 60. Mu minus sigma is equal to 40. Plus minus gets cancelled. 2 mu is equal to 100. Mu is equal to 50. So what is the mean they are asking? The mean is 50. Are you able to understood? Next, Fisher index number satisfy dash test. It will satisfy all the test, or it will only satisfy time reversal or factor reversal. It will satisfy both the tests. Fisher ideal index number is the geometric mean of last pair index number and passage index number. The formula for Fisher's is equal to under root of L into P. What is R is equal to 0.6? What is non-determination? Non-determination is 1 minus R square. That is 0.6 into equal to -1. You will be getting
0.64.
0.64. Next, what is the cost of living index number? Cost of living index number, what is the formula? Summation P1 by Q naught divided by summation P naught Q naught. This is one formula, or summation IW divided by summation W. What is the logic? First priority should be given to this. Then only we will be taking this as a base. So cost of living index is always be a weighted index. Next, the passage Fisher index number are 169 and 156. What is the last pair they are giving? So 156 is equal to under root of L into P. I know. Fisher is 156. L I know. 169 into P. Oh, okay. Sorry. Passage only they given. Sorry. L into 169. So what you guys do? Take a calculator. 156 into equal to divided by 169. 156 56 into equal to divided by 169. What is answer you're getting? 144. Whenever you see this question, you just need to apply this calculator thing. Next, the wholesale price index number of agricultural commodity in a given region at a given date is 280. Okay. Percentage of increase in actual income over a base year. Assume base year is 100. Over the base year, 100 is becomes 280. How much percentage it has increased? They are asking only percentage of increase. My 100 needs to become 180 means I need to increase by 180 rupee. 180 rupees means it is increasing of 180 percentage. That is an interpretation we are making. So our answer is 180. It is not 280. Okay. Are you able to understood this? With this, we completed with our May 2025 Series 1 Statistics MTP. Hello guys, welcome back. Now we will be starting with September 2025 Series 1 exclusive questions for statistics. Okay. First question. The distributions of a profits of a company. Always the profits of the company will be like a bell-shaped curve. It will not be always the distribution of profits. The dividends of the company can be a bell-shaped curve. The medium of the distribution can be obtained from median can be obtained from less than Ojai type. Frequency density. They are asking density means class frequency to class width. Class width is nothing but class length. Next is 64. Take a calculator for question number 64. What is the question number 64? They are asking what is the difference between the central angles and the largest and the smallest components of the cost of the sugar. So the cost of the sugar under the raw material, labor, different production is given. So take a calculator. 35 minus 12 divided by 35 minus 12 divided by, you will be getting 35 minus 12 is 23. What is the total of this value? It's a book back question only. 35 plus 23 plus 12 plus 20, it's 90. So it is 35 minus 12 divided by 90. They said central angle, so it should not be multiplied by 100, it should multiply by 360. So 23 divided by 90 into 360, you will be getting 92. Next, question number 65. Interesting question, which is also forms part of ratio chapter and which is allegation rule. What is allegation rule? I tell you, I already taught you this allegation rule as well. In a group of person, average weight is 60. So the average weight is 60. The average males and females taken separately was, male was 80, female was what? 50. Now what you need to do? Find the ratio. They are asking a ratio in a mean na. So allegation rule will be there. 80 minus 60 will becomes 20. 50 minus 60 will give them 10. 10 is to 20. Answer is 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2 means option D is our answer. Next, a train covered first 5 km in a journey at a speed of 30 km per hour and next 15 km at the speed of 45 km per hour. What is the average speed of the train? Whenever it is a speed of the train, we will be using harmonic mean. What is we need to use a combined harmonic mean. So what is the entry? I will tell you. You just need to do it in a calculator. 5 divided by 30m plus 15 divided by 45m plus MRC divided by equal to multiplied by, what is the distance covered? 20 multiplied by 20. Are you getting this answer? 5 divided by 30 m plus 15 divided by 45 m plus. What is the answer you are getting? What is the answer you got?
40 kilometer per hour.
40 kilometer per hour. This is very simple, guys. What is the next one? If 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, what is the variance of x is 6? What is the variance of y? So we know very well it is not going to affected by shift of origin or change of scale. So what we need to do, we'll be doing 2 into x is equal to 3ye, but they given variance. So this should be multiplied with variance of x is given. So what is the variance of x? It is nothing but 2 square. What is 2 square? What is 2 square value?
Force.
4 into 6 divided by 3. What is the answer you are getting? 6 into 4 divided by 3. You will be getting 8. No, wait. No, you can rewrite this equation as 2 into standard deviation of x into 3 into standard deviation of y. So we know 2 into standard deviation of x square is equal to standard deviation of x square is equal to variance. Okay, or variance is equal to standard deviation. Wait, just give me a moment. Listen, this is easy one only. I just messed up with that value. 2x plus 3y plus 4 is given a 0. Now we need to, with respect to y we want. So with respect to y, if you want, we will write 3y equal to minus 2x minus 4. So y is equal to minus 2 by 3x minus 4. We know very well it is not 4 by 3. Sorry. We know very well it is not going to affect my answer. Even minus is also not going to affect my answer. I want variance of y. Variance of y is nothing but I want b square. B square into variance of x. What is a b square? B square is nothing but 2 by 3 whole square into variance of x is 6. So 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. That is minus 2 by 3 anyhow is going to become positive value. So you will be getting 4 divided by 9 into 6. 4 divided by 9 into 6. If you cancel, you will be getting 8 by 3 is your answer. Next, question number 68. What is question number 68 is about? If the standard deviation of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 is a standard deviation, the standard deviation of 11, 13, 20 is, again answer is standard deviation. What is it? Because standard deviation from 1 it is increased to 11, for 2 it is increased to 10, so it has been increased by 10, 10. So standard deviation is not affected by shift of origin. Okay, next, what is the standard deviation? They are asking for a grouped frequency distribution. For a grouped frequency distribution, we know the formula, that is summation fx divided by summation f minus summation fx divided by summation f the whole square. Summation fx square. So now you need to find the midpoint. Midpoint is 5, 15, 25, 35. We can do it in a calculator. Take a calculator. Take a calculator. 5 into equal to 5 into equal to into 1 m plus 15 into equal to into 3 m plus 25 into equal to into 4 m plus 35 into equal to into 2 m plus mrc divided by 10. What is the answer?
560 paise.
I can't get you.
560 paise.
565. Next, take a calculator and do 5 into 1 m plus 15 into 3 m plus 25 into 4 m plus 35 into 2 m plus mrc divided by 10 into equal to
484.
484. Subtract this value and give me the final answer.
So,
9. I guess
yes.
81. The answer is 9. Yes. If the difference between mean and mode is 69, and difference between median and median is mean minus mode is equal to 3 into mean minus median. Whenever you see the calculator, take a calculator and do 69 divided by 3. That's your answer. 23. That's why the difference of mean median will came. If all the observation in a distribution is increased by 6, then the variance of the series, we know very well, variance of the series will not be unchanged by increasing some value. Next, which measures of dispersion is based on absolute deviation? Absolute deviation means what? Mean deviation. Then only x minus median is equal to, or x minus x bar is equal to, we will be using a modulus na, mean deviation. Calculate the value of third quartile from the following data. Now give me the answer. First we need to arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order I will do 16, then 21, 25, 27, 29, 32, 35, 40, 51. What is Q3 formula? Q3 is 3 into n plus 1 divided by 4th observation. So what is n? 3, 6, 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 by 4 is 0.4. 3 into 0.4. 3 into 0.4 is what? 10 divided by 4 into 10 divided by 4 is 2.5. 2.5 into 3 is become 7.5. So my answer is Q3 is going to be 7.5th observation. So 7.5th observation means 7th observation plus 0.5 of 8th minus 7th. So what is my 7th observation? 3, 6, 7. It is going to be 35 plus 0.5 of 8 minus 35, 36, 40 minus 35. 40 minus 35, which is equivalent to 35 plus 0.5 into 5, which is basically 35 plus 2.5, 37.5. My answer is 37.5. Change this answer, option A. Change this answer. It is still they are making an error. It has already been tested in one MTP as well. Same MTP, I guess it is previous year question or MTP 2020 or 2021. I don't remember exactly. They are still making an error. So it is just copy pasting they have done. Answer is 37.5. Now come to question number 74. The mean of 100 students of 45. Later on, it was discovered that the mark of two students were misread as 85 and 54 instead of 58 and 45. Now you guys think and tell me 55, 58 and 45 is correct or 85 and 54 is correct. Which is correct and which is wrong?
58 and 45 is correct.
58 and 45 is correct and 85 and 54 is wrong. So take a calculator. 100 into 45 minus 85 minus 54 minus 58 minus 45 divided by 100. Sorry, plus 58 plus 45. Sorry. 100 into 45 minus 85 minus 54 plus 58 plus 45 divided by 100. 44.64. Now come to question number 75. The arithmetic mean and the coefficient of variation of the given set is 10 and 30. What is the variance of x? We know very well. This is not going to affect. So it is 2 square. B square into variance of x. B square into variance of means 2 square into variance of x is mean is given. Coefficient of variation is given. Coefficient of variation is not variance of x. So we need to find standard deviation. Coefficient of variation is equal to sigma divided by x bar into 100. So what is the coefficient of variation? Coefficient of variation is nothing but 30. 30 is equal to 10 standard deviation divided by 10 into 100. If I cancel, you will be getting 10 divided by 30 divided by 10. 30 divided by 10 is the standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to 3. Standard deviation standard deviation is equal to variance. So it is variance is equal to variance is equal to 9, so it is 4 into 9, which is equal to 36. Interesting question, expected question in your examination as well. Similarly, okay, 76 we know very well. SDMD QD, we know QD MD SD 10 is to 12 is to 15, so they reversed it, so answer is 15 is to 12 is to 10. What is the geometric mean of three numbers is 40, 50, x is 10? What is the value? 40 into 50 into x cube root is equal to 10. So I know very well 40 into 50 into x is equal to 10 cube. So cube gets cancelled. So 10 cube divided by 40 into 50. Take a calculator. 10 into equal to 10 into equal to divided by 40 divided by 50. 0.5. Option D. Are you able to understood? The difference between upper limit and lower limit is class is known as difference between upper limit, lower limit of the class is known as class size or class mark. Class size. Next, let P be the probability of function S. S is nothing but sample space. We know n of S is equal to probability of S is going to be 1. So they given A, B, A is given, C is given. They are asking B. Okay, we will be finding that is Z. Take a calculator. 1 by 4 m plus 1 by 3 m plus MRC minus 1. 1 by 4 m plus 1 by 3 m plus MRC minus 1. I'll be getting 0.4166. Which answer gives me that? Option A. Are you able to understood this question? Everybody?
Yes.
Yes. Now come to question number 80. What's the question number 80 is about? Is an interesting question from exam perspective as well. Listen. A speaks truth. A speaks truth is 60%. So probability of A speaking truth is 0.6. Correct? 0.6.
Yes.
Yes. In a B speaking truth is 0.9. And what they are asking, in what percentage cases that are likely to contradict each other? Contradict to each other means what? If A speaks truth, B should not speaks. Right? So this is your December 2020. I remember the question. Exactly, it is in from December 2020 PYQ. A speaks truth, so it is nothing but probability of A and B should not speak truth. Or means unconditioned. A should not speak truth, but B can speak a truth. So we know very well. So take a calculator. 0.6 into 0.1 m plus 0.4 into 0.9 m plus MRC. 42 percentage.
Yes.
Into 100 should be multiplied. Next, a candidate is selected for an interview for 3 posts. The first, for the first, there are 3 candidates. For the second, there are 4. For the third, there are 2. So for the first position, probability of A is become 1 by 3. Probability of B will become total for second position is 1 by 4. Probability of C becomes 1 by 2. But only selected post is what? 3. So what they are saying, what is the chance of getting at least one? At least one we know very well. Probability of at least one is equal to 1 minus probability of none. So 1 minus probability of none means A dash 2 by 3 into B dash. B dash is 3 by 4 into C dash. C dash is 2 by 3. Okay. So you will be getting 1 minus, take a calculator, or we can still cancel now. 2 by 3 cancel, 4 gets cancel. You will be getting 1 by 3. So final answer is, wait.
C dash. Like this.
Sorry. It is 1 by 2. I thought it is 1 by 2. So 3 gets cancelled. For 2 gets cancelled. You will be getting 1 into 1 minus 4, which is basically 3 by 4. Now, question number 82. A card is drawn from a pack of playing a cards, and then another card is drawn without first card being replaced. That is an interesting question. In exam, they may test you. Okay. Remember this. A card is drawn from a pack of playing cards, and then another card is drawn without first being replaced. Okay, first you draw one card. So at the time, the probability of card drawing from a card, the probability of drawing getting two kings. What is mean by two kings? Getting two kings. A card is drawn from a pack of playing cards, and then another card is drawn without first card is being replaced. What is the probability of getting three? First time, if I'm withdrawing a card, I will be having four options to have a king. So it is 4 by 52 multiplied by, I'm not going to replace the card which I'm taking as a red king card. Then I'm going to keep it separately. Then availability of king will becomes only 3. So it is 3, and my total will also be reduced to 51. Why 51? Because one card is not replaced. So it is 4 3s are 12 divided by 52 into 51. It is 2652. So 12 divided by 2652 will give me 0.00452. Which option gives me that? I guess it should be 1 divided by 221. Yeah, 1 divided by 221. We're able to getting this. Next, question number 83. The probability of a man hitting a target. Probability of man hitting a target is 1 by 4. Fine. If he fires 7 times, means it is binomial distribution. So this becomes your n. The probability of hitting a target at least twice. So we know hitting a target means PQ. P is equal to 1 by 4 means Q is equal to 3 by 4. They said 7 times. Hitting at least twice. Probability of at least twice means x greater than or equal to 2. This I can write down as 1 minus P. Probability of x. Probability of x less than 2. Correct. Probability of x less than 2. Then I can write down probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1. So now it is 1 minus, now probability of 0 na. So what I need to do? 7c0 into 1 by power 4 power p power x na, 0 into 3 by 4 power q minus x. So n minus x, n is 7, 7 minus x is 7. Okay, plus 7c1 into 1 by 4 power 1 into 3 by 4 power 6. So what I can do? Now 1 minus 7c1 is 7 into 1 into 3 by 4. 3 by 4 cancel. I will be only left with, wait, where I commit a mistake. Q is what? 3 by 4 na. 3 by 4 power 7, 3 by 4 power 6. Or instead of cancelling it, it is in a plus na. I should take it, sorry, I should take it outside. So I will be taking 3 by 4 whole power 6 outside. So I will be left with 1 into 1 into 3 by 4 plus 7 into 1 by 4 into, that is the only thing I have left with. So you will be getting 1 minus 3 by 4 whole power 6. This becomes 3 by 4 plus 7 by 4, as it is remains the same. So what I can do, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 by 4. 10 by 4 is nothing but 5 by 2. So 1 minus 3 by 4 whole power 6 into 5 by 2. So I guess my answer is option A. Next question number 84. 84 is also an interesting question, which is slightly a book back question as well. Okay. If 5% of electric bulbs manufactured by a company are defective, okay, the defectives are given. So the defective is given as 5%. So 5 divided by 100. So 5 divided by 100, you will be getting basically 0.05. Okay. Then using Poisson distribution, find the probability that, sorry, 5 percentage na, 5 percentage on 100 is 5. Why I'm doing this? They said 5% of bulbs are defective. So what you guys do? They are asking P of x is equal to 5. We know very well e power minus m into m power x into x factorial. E power minus m. M is nothing but what? 5 into 5 power x. X is nothing but is also 5 divided by x factorial. So what you guys do? 5 factorial is 120. E power minus 5 value 0.07 they given into 5 power 5. What is 5 power 5 da? 5 power 5. 5 power 5. 3.
3125.
3125, correct. 3125 divided by 120. 3125 divided by 120 into 0.007. We'll be getting 0.18229. Option A. Correct. Next question. Super duper question. In a non-leap year. In a non-leap year means out of 365 days, 364 days will be for weeks. Only one day left. Okay, they are asking 53 Sunday. It can be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So 53 or is there. So 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7, which is give me 3 by 7 as my answer. Are you able to understand this? Yes. Now come to question number 18. Examine the validity of the following: mean and standard deviation of a binomial distribution are 10 and 4 respectively. They are asking whether it is valid or not valid. Binomial distribution. Can you guys tell me binomial distribution? I know very well my mean should be greater than my variance. So here my mean is given as 10, but my standard deviation is given as 4, but my variance is 16, right? 4 square is equal to variance. So it is not equal to, so the statement is, no, sorry, the statement is not valid. Okay. Next, for a Poisson variate, it's an interesting question. Answer is going to be 2. Why is it 2? It's a landmark. It's a super duper question. It's an interesting question. Many times they have asked in past papers. I will solve you also, but I will try to prove you with that logic as well. Sir, why sir you have just marked it? Yes, I directly marked it. Listen. Poisson e power minus m into m power x. X is 1 divided by 1 factorial is equal to e power m into m square divided by 2 factorial. E power minus m gets cancelled. M gets cancelled. You stays with m. 1 factorial you will be getting 1. So it is m divided by 2 factorial is equal to 1. So m is equal to 2 factorial. M is equal to 2. So even if I given 0 here, suppose p of x is equal to 0 equal to p of x is equal to 2 or p of x is equal to 1. Continuous numbers are there. 1, 2, 2, 3 are there. Assume you will be getting e power minus m into m power 0 divided by 0 factorial equal to e power minus m into m power 1 divided by 1 factorial. So e power minus m cancel. Anything power 0 is 1. So m is equal to 1. So you will be getting the next highest order. Suppose if I want to create one more question. P of x is equal to 2 is equal to P of x is equal to 3. When this logic will apply, e power minus m into m square divided by 2 factorial is equal to e power minus m into m cube divided by 3 factorial. E power minus m cancel. M square for m will stays. So it is 1 divided by 2 is equal to m divided by 3 into 2. Okay, 3 into 2. So if I do a cross multiplication, I will be getting 3 into 2 divided by 2 is equal to m. 2 2 gets cancelled. M is equal to 3. So that's why. Are you able to understand this? Whenever you see this, you will directly upload this and you just tick it and you just move on. Next, 30 balls are serial numbered and placed in a bag. Find the chance that first ball is drawn as a multiple of 3 or 5. It's super duper question da. 30 balls da. It is not 30 balls. 30 balls. Okay, take a calculator. 30 divided by 3m plus 30 divided by 3m plus 30 divided by 5m plus 30 divided by 5 divided by 3 m minus mrc.
14.
Hmm?
14.
14 ah? 14 divided by 30. Correct ah? 7 by 15 ah? Is it correct? Is it correct? Yes.
Yes.
Next. Find the normal distribution. Find the first and third quartiles are given 37 and 49. What is the mode? Under normal distribution, I know very well under normal distribution, my mean, median, mode, all things are equal. Correct. If all the things are equal, anything I can find, I can easily do an answer. Okay. If I still want to find a median, median is very simple now. The median formula is Q1 plus Q2 Q3 Q1 plus Q3 divided by 2. So what is the answer? 49 plus 37 divided by 2. 43. Answer is 43. This is method 1. I will teach you method 2 also. What is the method 2? First quartile they are asking. Mu minus 0.675 sigma is equal to 37. Mu plus 0.675 sigma is equal to 39. If I do this, plus mu minus mu gets cancelled. 2 mu is equal to mu means in under a normal distribution, mu means mean. Okay, so it is 39 plus 37. 39 plus 37, I will be getting 76. So mu is equal to 76 divided by 2. So mu is equal to, sorry, what's the value? 49. Sorry, 37, 49. So 49 plus 30, 49 plus 37, it is going to be 86. So it is going to be 86 by 2, which is mu is equal to 43. Are you able to understood this?
Yes.
Next, what they said, the odds in favor of an event A. Odds in favor is given. So this is your favorable, this is your unfavorable. So probability of A is equal to 3 by 4. Probability of non-occurrence of A intersection A dash is 1 by 4. Then what they said, there are 3 independent trials. 3 independent trials is there. So what is the probability of non-occurrence? Even in all the 3, there should be non-occurrence. So it is probability of A, okay, first occurrence into probability of A dash again in the second occurrence into probability of A dash. So it is basically 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, 4 cube, it is 1 by 64. So my answer is option A. This question orally you can do that. Are you able to understood this? Next question number 91. 91 is also slightly easy. We'll do 4y plus 5x is equal to the regression line y on x is given. If the regression line y on x is given, what I can do with respect to y, I should write 4y is equal to 5x plus 15. Y is equal to 5 by 4x plus 15 by 4. I know it is not going to affect my 15 by 4. So I will be writing this as, this is my b y on x. This equation is b y x. So what I will do, the r formula is equal to r square is equal to b y x into byx into bxy. I know r square. R square is given as 0.75 square. Byx. What is byx value? It is 5 by 4 bxy. They are asking x and y. Yeah. So what I will do, just do a cross multiplication. 0.75 into equal to 0.75 square into 4 divided by 5. 0.75 into equal to into 4 divided by 5. I'll be getting 0.45. My answer is option A. Are you able to understand this? This is option checking method. You will do. You will substitute a question. We'll need minus 1. We need minus 1. So we'll substitute 1 here. 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1. It is basically 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. Condition 1 satisfied. Then substitute the same. 5 into 1 plus 6 into minus 1, which will give me 5 minus 6, which is minus 1. Again correct. So my answer is option A. Now come to question number 93. What is question number 93? A correlation coefficient of R between x and y is 0.5 and relationship between x and minus y they are asking. So I will take 0.5. Yeah, it is in a positive sign. Then R is given. X's value is positive. Then y value is negative, so plus into minus gives me, plus into minus gives me minus, minus 0.5 is my answer. Okay, for positive and perfectly correlated means r is equal to 1. That is an error, that is a understanding we should make. And one of a regression coefficient is 0.4, but this question is having an error. Okay, if you get 1.4, you will not getting the answer. I will try to prove. They said one of the regression coefficient. I assume there is a one formula is there. Assume one of my regression coefficient r is equal to standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x. Assume one of my regression coefficient, I assume to be this. Then r is 1 into standard deviation of y, I don't know, x I know very well. What is x? X is 2. So if I do a cross multiplication, I will be getting 2.8 is equal to standard deviation of y. I know very well. They are asking variance of y. What is my variance of y? Variance of y is equal to standard deviation square. So it is 2.8 square. 2.8 square into equal to. You will be getting 7.84. If you are getting 7.84 is the answer, that is perfectly correct. Okay. That is perfectly correct. Or if they only said one of the regression equation, then we will be substituting in b xy also. If you are substituting b xy also, at that particular point of time, r is equal r into standard deviation of x divided by standard deviation of y. We know r is equal to 1. Assume this b xy is 1.4 into standard deviation of x is given as 2, standard deviation of y. Then if I do a cross multiplication, standard deviation of y is equal to 2 divided by 1.4. What is 2 divided by 1 by 1.4? It is standard deviation of y is equal to 1.4285. I need standard deviation square. So it is into equal to, I will be getting standard deviation square, which is basically a variance is equal to 2.04. If it is 2.04, even in all the conditions, it's not there. So what actually it should happen? Okay, actually it should happen. Instead of this, it should be 1.3. This question is there from June 2022 onwards. June 2022 PYQ, they have tested this question. The same cut copy paste they done, but 1.3. I will solve with 1.3. Byx is 1.3, equal to r is equal to 1, into standard deviation of y divided by 2. Okay, then it will become 2.6 is equal to standard deviation of y, so 2.6 into equal to, you will be getting standard deviation of y is square is equal to 6.76. You will be getting, are you able to getting this? Yes. So this is an error is there, so be careful on that particular question. Next, find the n pass. This is a book back question. Find the n pass. The coefficient of concurrent deviation is calculated as 1 by 3. So RC is equal to 1 divided by root 3 is given. There are 6 concurrent deviation. So concurrent deviation is 6. So we know M is equal to concurrent deviation. What is the formula for concurrent deviation? What is the formula for concurrent deviation? RC is equal to under root of 2C minus M divided by M. So we know 2C. 2C is nothing but 2 into 6, 12 minus M. What is M da? What is M? M is equal to N minus 1 or N is equal to M plus 1. Either the way I can write. Right. What I will do? RC I know 1 divided by root 3. M I will keep. M I will keep that. In the next step, what I will do, I will be squaring on both sides. If I was squaring on the both sides, I will be getting 1 by 3 equal to 12 minus M divided by M. So if I solve this, M is equal to 36 minus 3M. Then 4M is equal to 36. M is equal to 36 by 4 is 9. I know M is equal to M. They are asking N. N is nothing but M plus 1. So M plus 1 is 10. Are you able to understand this? Next, consumer price index of number goes up from 100 to 200 on the salary worker from 300 to 500. What is the real wage? If it is 100, it goes to 200. If it is 300, means 100 to 200 it goes. Some salary at that time, you just need to do a cross multiplication. 300 into 200 divided by 300 into 200 divided by 100. You will be getting what? You will be getting what? 600 ah?
600. Yes, sir.
Ah. If you do 600, it is wrong. Why it is wrong? I done it intentionally. Why it is wrong? They are asking real wages. What is the real wages formula? What is the real wages formula? What is the money wages today divided by CLI, cost of living index? So, what is the money wages I'm getting today? 500. What's the cost of living index? 200 into 100. What is the value? 500 divided by 200. 250 is an exact answer. Okay, then find out the simple aggregative method. I know it is very easy. This is P0, this is P1. By taking 2022, taking 2021 as a base. So add all the 600, 720, 300, 600. So 720 by 600 percentage. 720 divided by 600 percentage. Answer is 120. Next interesting one, exam question. They may try to test you in the exams. Listen. From the following chain base index, number based on 2015, find out the new chain base. Chain base is there. So it is link relative of 2022 by shifting a base year of 2019. 2019 is a base for what? 2022. So 2019 base, this index number is there. So what is the base year we will be considering? 100. So what is the thing we need to multiply? Just do a cross multiplication. 125 is our answer. So it is for 120, 100 is a base year now. For 150, what is the value? So that's a cross multiplication we are making. Next, last pair index number is a weighted aggregative method by taking dash as a weights. What is the last pair formula? P1 Q 0 divided by P 0 Q 0. So we are considering the base year of the quantity. So quantity is consumed in the base year. Next, what is the passage index number question they are giving? We'll try to find this answer. So what is a passage formula? Da? What is a passage formula?
Yes, sir.
Summation P1. This is a formula. Correct? Take a calculator. This is P1 na. This is Q1 na. It is 6 threes are 180, 40, 24, 45, 45, 90, 90, 135. Just add this value. 220 plus 220 plus 224, 244, 244 plus 135. What is the total? 379 ah?
Yes.
379 divided by P naught into Q1. This is P naught. This is Q1. So connection between this 30, 150, 30, 16, 450. What is the total?
646.
Huh? 646.
646.
646 into 100. Do it. 379 divided by 646 percentage. I'll be getting 58. 58.66. So the question itself is having an error. We done correctly. What is an error? Instead of 10, it should be 1. Then numerator doesn't change. My denominator will, my last thing will change it to 45. Then what is my answer? 249 appa?
241, sir.
241 na? 180 plus 16 plus 45. 241. Now if you guys do 379 plus 241 percentage, you'll be getting option C as your answer. With this, we completed our September 25 Series 1 Q question paper for statistics. Okay. Hello guys, welcome back. I am your faculty Sudarshan for your paper number 3 QB. Now we will be starting with our September 25 Series 2. Median of a distribution can be obtained from, median can be obtained from ogive, specifically less than ogive type. Next, the dash is the size of the sample, more reliable is the result. When the sample is larger, the results is more reliable. That's a basic logic. The standard deviation of dash distribution called standard error. Binomial distribution is called standard error. No, sorry. Sampling distribution is called that. The standard deviation of a sampling distribution is called that standard error. Next, for a set of observation, the sum of absolute deviation, when the deviation is taken from a median, so you know very well, x into x minus xi, that is basically, or xi into x bar, which is basically sum of deviations of absolute. Sum of deviations of absolute will give you minimum, will be minimum. Next, for open-end classification, which of the following is the best measures of central tendency? The best measure for open-end classification, we already discussed, it is median. The quartiles, the repeated problem is there. For quartiles of 45, 52 and 65, what is 45, 52 and 55? So QD they are asking Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2, 65 minus 45 divided by 2, which is basically 20 by 2, which is answer is 10. Next, question number 67. If x and y are right, standard deviation of m 5 and 10, what is the coefficient of variation they are asking na? This sum we already done, still will do. So y bar and standard deviation of y, standard deviation of y will become 10 and standard deviation of y bar will become 25. So it is 10 divided by 25 into 100. Answer is going to be 40. Interesting question. For moderately skewed distribution, mean is twice the median. Median is twice the mean. Then what is a mode dash times of the median they are asking? We know one formula for mode. Actually, mean minus median is equal to 3 into mean minus mode is equal to 3 into mean minus median. So if I multiply mean minus median, I keep mean minus mode here. Then 3 into, it will be like 3 mean minus 3 median. If it is 3 mean minus 3 median, mean gets cancelled, you will be getting 3 median minus mode is equal to 2 mean. So 3 median minus 2 mean is equal to mode. Correct. And can I rewrite this? Median is equal to 2 mean. With respect to mean, can I write as half of median? Half of median. So in this formula, this is a mode formula. What is a mode formula? 3 median minus 2 mean. So 3 into median minus 2 mean. What is mean? 1 by 2 of median equal to mode. So 2 gets cancelled. You will be getting 3 median minus median, which is 2 median is equal to mode. If 2 median is equal to mode, my answer is 2 times of the median. Next, if the average group of 30 girls is 80, a group of 70 and the group of boys is 70, what is combined average is 76? What is the answer? Fine, let it be. We'll do. This is 30 into 80 plus x plus 70 divided by 30 plus x, okay, equal to 76. This is what they given. Option checking method will do. We'll choose option A, B or C or D. Which option we'll choose? Which option we will choose? You guys tell me which option we'll choose. Option A will try. Take a calculator. 30 into 80m plus 21 into 70m plus MRC divided by 51. 30 into 80m plus 21 into 70m plus MRC divided by 51. I'm getting 75.88. No, I will be the options are near. So A is not my answer. Then I will go instead of 21, I will substitute 20 instead of then I 50. 1000. 30 into 80m plus 20 into 70m plus MRC divided by 50. I am getting 76 exact answer. My answer is option B. Now come to question number 70. 70 is median value. It's so easy, guys. Come on. 19 is there. Then 36 is there. Then 48 is there. Then 56, 66, 72, 87, 91. So 3, 3, 6 in between values are simple average for the 66 plus 56 divided by 2. 66 plus 56 divided by 2. 61 is our answer. Then if the two variables of related C is equal to AB, then what is GM of C? GM of C is equal to GM of A into GM of B. Then come to question number 72. If there are three observation, 50, 20 and 25, then sum of the deviations of them, deviation will always be 0. Take a calculator. The mean weight of 15 students is 110. The mean weight of 5 students is 100. The another 5 students is 125. What is the mean weight of the remaining student? So 5 is already there. The remaining 5 is there. So you left with 5 students mean weight. So take a calculator. 15 into 110 m plus 5 into 100 m minus 5 into 125 m minus MRC divided by 5. 105. Perfect. Come to question number 74. If the arithmetic mean between two numbers is 64 and geometric mean between the numbers is 16, what is geometric mean? We know GM is equal to under root of AM into HM. So now GM square is equal to AM into HM. They are asking HM. So HM is equal to GM square divided by AM. So take a calculator. 16 into equal to divided by 64. 16 into equal to divided by 64. What is the answer? 4. The regression coefficients remains unchanged due to shift of origin. It's a property question. Okay. Next, if a if the plotted points in a scatter diagram lies from upper left to lower right, upper left to lower right, then it is negative. The covariance between two variables. It can either be positive, negative, or 0. If the coefficient of correlation between the variables r is equal to 0.09, what is coefficient of determination? Determination is r square. R square is nothing but 0.81. Okay. Then find the probability of a random variable for a standard deviation of x. For a standard deviation of x means standard deviation of x is equal to root of variance. We know variance formula for random variable. What is the variance formula for random variable? It is e into x square minus e of x the whole square. Okay. What is x square? We need to find, listen da, e of x is equal to summation px. So what is summation px? Take a calculator. 1 into 1.5 m plus 2 into 0.25 m plus 4 into 0.2 m plus 5 into 0.3 m plus 6 into 0.1 m plus MRC. I'm getting 3.55. Correct? What is summation x square? It is summation x square into p or p into x square. So what is the thing? x square 1 square into 0.15 m plus 2 into equal to into 0.25 m plus 4 into equal to into 0.2 m plus 5 into equal to into 0.3 m plus 6 into equal to into 0.1 m plus mrc. I'm getting 15.45. Correcta? So take a calculator. Take a calculator. This is what I want to do. Okay. So take a calculator. 3.55. 3.55 into equal to minus 15.45. I'm getting 2.845. Yeah. Negative இல்ல positive தான். 2.845. I need to take a under root button. What is the answer? 1.1.69. That's our answer. Next, come to question number 80. Given that there are two events A and B, P of A, P of B plus P of C, P of A union B, what is P of A by B? They are asking. We know very well formula. P of A by B is equal to P of A intersection B, P of A intersection B divided by P of B. So P of A intersection B is equal to 3 by 4. I know 3 by 4 instead of 3 by 4. Can I write as 0.75? No. P of A union B, now take a calculator. 3 by 5 m plus 2 by 3 m plus 3 by 4 m minus mrc. What is the answer you are getting? 0.5166. P of B. P of B is 2 by 3. 2 by 3, I guess it is 0.6666. What is the answer? 0.5166 divided by 0.666 times 6, which gives me 0.7749. What is my answer? I guess it is 31 by 60. No, 31 by 60 is not my answer. 13 by 60. No, yeah. Yeah, option D. Direct answer is given. Direct answer is there. Correct? Next, question number 81. If 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, what is variance of 6, variance of y? We know. We already done this question, right? Right now only we done. 2x with respect to y, we should write 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 4. So y is equal to minus 2 by 3x plus 4 by 3. It is not going to affect. So variance of y is equal to minus 2 by 3 the whole square into variance of x. So minus 2 by 3, what you can write it as 4 by 9 into 6, which is equal to 2, 3. So it is 8 by 3. Answer A. Next, x and y standing in a line with 6 other people. It's an interesting question. With 6 other people, what is the probability that 3 persons between them? Understand this logically, then I will give you a shortcut thing. Or I will give you a shortcut. Okay, I will give you logical first. X and Y stand in a line with 6 other people. Okay. Total, there are 8 people. Total sample space is 8 factorial ways. Okay. X and Y are standing in a line with 6 other people. What is the probability that there are 3 persons between them? 3 persons between them is, it should be like this. Okay. And one more possibility is also there. This is also there. This should be one club. Okay. They arrange 5 person. So out of 6 other people, how many people to be arranged? 3 people to be arranged. Okay. Then they arrange themselves, X and Y arrange themselves in 2 factorial ways. Basically, 2 possibilities are there. And after they club them, X 1, 2, 3, after they club them as 1, out of 5 people will be arranged. The remaining people can arrange themselves in 3 factorial ways. So it will be total 4 factorial. So into 4 factorial. So it is basically 6p3 into 2 factorial into 4 factorial. So divided by 8 factorial. Can you guys give me this answer? 6p3 into 2 factorial into 4 factorial divided by 8 factorial. What is the answer for this? What is the answer for this? Point 0.14. What is the answer in option? That is what I require now. Option A option C
Yes, sir.
I will give you one more shortcut. Method 2 is in between x and y. There are no persons are there. In between x and y, only one person. In between x and y, two persons are there. In between x and y, three persons are there. In between x and y, four persons are there. In between x and y, five persons can be there. In between x and y, six persons can be there. I cannot place in between seven persons cannot be happen. Why? Because out of six persons will be there, x and y will be 2%, total 8%. In the same way, y0x, y1x, the difference between them is 2, the difference between them is 3, the difference between them is 4, the difference between them is 5, and the difference between them is 6. Now you guys think and answer. How many possibilities are there? 2 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 2 by 14, answer is 1 by 7. This is the second alternative. Are you able to understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, interesting question. Unbased coins are tossed simultaneously. What is the expected number? Expected number of x means E of x they are asking. E of x is nothing but x into P of x. Okay, x into P of x. This is a formula for Ex. Summation. What is the answer? E of x is equal to summation x into P of x. Okay, they given this value bar 16 is given. So what you guys can do, leave this part. It is not going to affect my answer na. Next, what you will do, take a calculator. Take a 16 common. 16 common. 1 into 4 equal to 2 into 6 equal to 3 into 4 equal to 4 into 1 equal to. Basically 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 12 is 20. 20 plus 12 is 32. 32 by 16. What is my answer? 2. Next, assume that the probability for a rain day is 0.4. Okay. Probability of rain day is 0.4. An umbrella of a salesman can earn 400 per day in case of rain. Okay. Like a previous question which we done for profit and loss. Similar question. 0.4 into 400 m plus loss is 100 na. So if there is no rain. Okay. If there is no rain means it is 0.6 into 100. Because if there is no rain means it's the only probability is 1 na. 0.6 into 100 m minus MRC divided by divided MRC just it. I guess what's the answer? What's the answer? 100. The covariance between two variables x and y is 8.4. Okay, the variance is 25 and 36. What is the Carl Pearson's coefficient? R they are asking. What is the formula? Covariance of x comma y divided by variance is given. So under root of variance of x into under root of variance of y. So take a calculator. Take a calculator. Do what I say. 25 into 36 equal to under root divided by equal to into 8.4. 25 into 36 equal to under root divided by equal to into 8.4. Pressing of equal to is mandatory here. 0.2799 approximately 0.28. Correct? What is the probability of getting 3 hits if 6 unbiased coins are tossed? If 6 unbiased coins are tossed, what is the possibility? This sum can be done in two different ways. We'll try. Pascal triangle, you remember? For 4 coins, what is it? For 4 coins, it is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. 5 coins, it is 6 coins.
6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 7.
This is 0 heads, 1 head, 2 head, 3 head. What is 3 head? 20 divided by 2 power 6. What is 2 power 6? 64
Yes, sir.
64. 20 divided by 64 is what? 0.3125. It's a one method. Or binomial distribution if I want to go. 6 unbiased coins are there. 6C3 into probability of success is 1.2. Probability of failure is also 1.2. Q power x is 3 and 3. So 6C3. 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. Here I will be getting 1 by 8 into 1 by 8. So 3 into 2 are 6 cancel. 4 2 cancel. Then 5 divided by 16. What is 5 divided by 16? Same answer. Da. Two methods I given. Which method is comfortable? You will go. You will decide. Which method is easy for you? Method 1 or method 2? What method comes to your mind in exam? Approach that method. Fine. The mode of binomial distribution for which mean is 4 and variance is 3, which is equal to. It's an interesting question they are asking. Okay, this question is super duper question. Question number 87. Okay, question number 87 is super question. Listen. Why I'm telling super question? It's having a super duper reversal work combination is there. Okay, I will take this. Now, will do. A mode of a binomial distribution mean. Mean means NP is equal to 4. Okay. Variance means NPQ is equal to 3. So I need to substitute NP here. So 4Q is equal to 3. Q is equal to 3 by 4. So I know P plus Q is equal to 1. P plus Q is equal to 1. So P is equal to 1 by 4. I will substitute this. N into 1 by 4 equal to 4. So N is equal to 16. N value is 16. I know the formula for mode under binomial distribution is N plus 1 into P. This is a formula. N is 16 plus 1 into P. What is P? P is 1 by 4. So 17 by 4. What is 17 by 4? 4.25. My answer is option C. If you go with my option answer C, it is completely wrong. Why it is completely wrong? You should not directly choose option C because the given value is integer or non-integer? Non-integer. Then what value to be considered? 4 should be considered. The fullest value of integer should be considered. That is 4 is your answer. Are you able to understood this? Yes. Next, for a Poisson distribution, which should be equal? For a Poisson distribution, what should be equal? Mean and variance. Variance rather. Variance should be equal. If bivariate, excess mean is greater than variance. When mean is greater than variance? Under binomial distribution. An example for biparametric continuous probability function. What is continuous probability? Normal. Binomial and Poisson are discrete probability distribution. Next, for a Poisson variate, x is equal to 2 and p of x is equal to 4. Then don't blindly go with 4 is your answer. I told you that it should be a continuous thing. They are asking also standard deviation. Under Poisson variate, what is the standard deviation is? Root m.
Yes.
So what we need to do, we first need to solve. E power minus m into m square divided by 2 factorial is equal to 3 into e power minus m into m power 4 divided by 4 factorial. E power minus m gets cancelled. M square will be there and 2 will be there. So I can rewrite this as 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 3 into 2 factorial equal to m square. So 2 factorial gets cancelled. 3 gets cancelled. M square is equal to 4. M is equal to 2. Okay. Standard deviation is equal to root m. What is your root m? 2. Root 2. Can you guys check whether this answer is correct or not? Only mean and variance is same, right? Under Poisson, mean and variance are equal. Is this answer is correct? Wait, what we have done? M square is equal to 4. M we find. M is equal to 2. Standard deviation is nothing but root M. Okay. Yes. Next. 92. What is the mean they are asking? Mean for possibility density function. It is mu. So the formula is x minus mu divided by x minus mu square. So here what is mu? Mu is nothing but 10. Next, the deviations are minimum when taken from median. Actually, when the deviations are 0, then it is mean. It is deviation. There are so many mistakes they are done. Deviation, or actually it should be what deviation? Absolute deviation when it is median. Histogram is useful to determine graphically the value is. Which value I can find using histogram? Mode. If x and y are related and QD they are asking. QD I know. 3 into QD of x is equal to 4 into QD of y. So it is 3 by 4 into 12 is equal to QD of y. So it is 3, 3, 3, 3 gets cancelled. You will be getting 9. The base year is the reference year from which the changes in the index are measured. Is always the last year. It's always the first year of index is created. Is the current year of index is created. Which is my answer? Option C. Correct?
Yes, sir.
If you choose this is wrong. Why? Is the reference year for which the changes of index are measured means we always take the given year as the first year as the thing. But actually speaking, what is the base year? I can still take 2025. If I want to compare 2023, I can take 2023 as a base year. If I want to take 2022, I can take 2022 as a base year. It is not that my always my first year should be a base year. Are you able to understood? Yes. Question number 97. Interesting question. A monthly salary of an employee of 10,000 in the year 2000. In the year 2000, year, don't write this stuff and all in exam. Okay. I just written it for your purpose. 2000. Salary is 10,000, which is increased to 20,000 in the year 2013. At the time, the consumer price index was 240. So base year I compare at 100. Now they are saying what should be his salary in comparison of consumer price index with 2013. That's what they are saying. Okay. So what I will do, just I try to eliminate this. Assume this is a question mark. Nothing is there. What should come I need to find. So take a calculator, do a cross multiplication. 10,000 into 240 divided by 100. 10,000 into 240 divided by 100. We'll be getting 24,000. So 24,000 is our answer. Okay. How much excess salary he should get? Then it is what? 4,000. Okay. Passage index number. Okay. Passage, na? We'll usually do. What is the formula for passage? P1
Q.
Q naught. Ah?
Yes, sir.
P1 Q naught. Passage, is not his last payer. What is last payer then? What is last pair then? Q1. There, passage is only Q1 na.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why Nitish? Why Nitish? Sleeping comes. தூக்கம் வருதா? 15, 40, 60. 105 Sorry, 115 115. P naught Q1. P naught Q1 na 5. 5 plus 15, 20. 20 plus 24. 44 Yes, 44. 115 by 44 into 100. 26136. 26136. Option B. Option A.
Yes, sir.
Always remember P passage is there, which will come for current year. PC. Remember like PC. Quantity index should be a current year index. Okay, PC. Passage means current year. It will like personal computer or PC or something. Okay. Next. Index number are not helpful in. It will helpful in economic policy. It will helpful in revealing the trend. It will helpful in forecasting, but it will not helpful in identifying the errors. Okay. The weight average of a price relative of a commodity when the weight is equal to the value of commodity in the base year yields. When I will consider a commodity means it's a quantity of a base year. In which formula I will consider quantity of a base year?
Last year's.
Last base. That's our answer. With this, we have completed our September MTP with respect to statistics portion as well.